It's about choices. Everything we do in life is about choices. You have chosen to be here tonight. You have chosen to make this a path for your future.
When I started, I had nothing at all. And then the second I got in, I came out with a whole lot of skills and things that no one could take away from me. So the fact that you're doing this program now, no one can take away that from you because you did it.
This is the pre-apprenticeship program. It's a 6-month program, free tuition to them, and we have exposed them to different occupations in the trade industry. So tonight they get to declare where they like to train in.
This program started 3 years ago with a fraction of the students that we have. We started out with 25 students. Fast forward to where we are now, to see a room full of literally hundreds of students, and you guys all have this amazing opportunity for this next phase of your life to pick not only what industry you want to go into, but multiple occupations within each industry.
One thing that definitely stood out to me is the fact that they're actually trying to prepare us and give us more tools that we can use for our life in the future.
Hearing about this gave me hope that, all right, I'm not totally lost. So it's definitely giving me something to keep pushing for, keep working at.
You're gonna have amazing opportunities to make some really good money, learn a lot of skills, take care of yourselves, take care of your families. You guys are setting an example for all of the people around you. So be proud of where you are, be proud of what you're doing. Never let a single day affect the journey.